So my friend thinks that he's better than me in this game, but that he's known that I've been practicing, and now look at my money. 999.9 QA. Take day, juice, if you, I guess, saying this. Never say they are better than me. Okay? Capiche? Capiche. And that's just to prove my point that I'm better than him. Goodbye. Thanks for watching.